What is going on, YouTube? It is your boy Sean P back with another video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, Sean Pennington Reviews. And if you're subscribed to my channel, thank you for subscribing to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. And this video is pretty much my year update on week 13. Nothing's really changed on my end. Haven't changed up supplementation. Been getting in a lot more water now, trying to anyway. Trying to eat a little bit better now. Trying to get in that quality food, but nothing's really changed much. Thinking about taking the Vita Beard supplement. It's the supplement that Jack Passion takes. If you don't know who Jack Passion is, he's won the Beard and Mustache Championships twice. I think it was overseas. He won a championship in Europe too. So check him out on YouTube if you can. His beard's like down to like, he got an epic beard if you want to check him out. But nothing's really changed. Just trying to get in water, quality food of course, but that's pretty much it. I just wanted to shout out all the reviewers and all the YouTubers that are doing reviews. Y'all keep me going on this journey because I see your beards and keep me going. So I mean, everybody, man, when it comes to everybody doing reviews and doing tips and tricks and on how to grow a beard, keeps me going. I can't express how much I love the community. I love the bearded community so much. It's crazy how much a brotherhood it is. I mean, like I said, I love it. I love growing a beard. It's a process, but it's enjoyable because it's like, it kind of helps you take better care of yourself and all that, you know, so I enjoy the process. And to you reviewers out there, I salute you. And man, y'all keep me going. I mean, that's where I find my motivation, through people doing reviews and looking at their beards and stuff. So it's helped me out a lot. But nothing's really changed on my end. Like I said, I'm thinking about buying the Vita Beard and taking that, see how that goes. And that's pretty much it. I mean, nothing's drastically changed. So it's coming in, even though I need to kind of shape it up, especially along this neckline because it's looking really rough. And I told myself I was going to trim after 12 weeks, but it's getting to the point where I might not even have to really trim my neckline because it's getting too long. But yeah, I might have to do something. But don't let nobody tell you that you can't have a sharp beard and let it be long. You can have both. So, you know, you can do both. But yeah, nothing's really changed on my end. It's coming in. And I just, been sticking with the process, drinking water, eating food, quality food, exercising, trying to exercise anyway. Yeah, nothing's really changed. But I'm gonna sum up this video with, hope y'all have a good rest of y'all day. Enjoy y'all Monday, get through this work day. And yeah, I'm out. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out. Peace. Shimmy, shimmy, y'all, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yay. So I can take it away. Trying to get hype so I can do this video. I don't know where to go. Trying to rhyme. I can't rhyme. I'm not trying to rhyme. Making sure I get this water in. Don't want to be dehydrated. I'm just wilding.